Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to start freelance business with 3 simple steps. Starting an independent business can be an exciting and rewarding adventure. With the ability to work from anywhere and choose your own projects, freelancing offers great freedom and flexibility. However, knowing where to begin can be overwhelming. Today, I will share my personal experience and insights on how to start a freelance business in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in starting a freelance business is identifying your niche. This is the area in which you specialize and have experience. Your niche can be anything from graphic design to social media management to writing. By focusing on your niche, you can establish yourself as an expert in that field and attract clients who are looking for your specific skills. To identify your niche, consider your past experiences and the skills you enjoy using. Think about what sets you apart from other freelancers in your field. Once you've identified your niche, create a portfolio showcasing your best work in that area. Step 2. Establish your online presence. Establishing your online presence is the next step. Every freelancer needs to have a strong online presence in today's digital age. Your online presence will include your website, social media profiles, and any other online platforms where you showcase your work. Start by creating a website that showcases your portfolio and highlights your skills and experience. Visual appeal and ease of navigation are essentials for your website. It should also be optimized for search engines so potential customers can find it easily. In addition to your website, create profiles on social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. These platforms can be great tools for networking and lead hunting. Make sure you keep your profiles updated and post regularly to engage with your followers. Step 3. Find clients. The last step in starting a freelance business is finding clients. There are a number of ways to find clients, including through online job boards, networking events, and referrals from past clients. Networking is an effective method of finding clients. Attend events in your niche and connect with other professionals in your field. You can also join online groups and forums related to your niche to connect with potential customers. Another way to find clients is through online job boards like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms allow you to search for jobs in your niche and submit proposals to potential clients.